Today we're going to show you how to make all natural cleaning supplies 4 different ways using all non-toxic products. This first one we're making is your basic cleaner and deodorizer. You'll need 4 tablespoons baking soda and 1 quart warm water. Baking soda is a non-toxic deodorizer that when mixed with water can cut through dirt and grease pretty easily. If you have some tougher stains, you can mix baking soda with vinegar, but when you mix those two together, it creates a gas that can explode, so you want to just use it right when you make it and then get rid of it. Don't store it for later use. You want to make sure you use distilled water also because you don't want to risk getting any bacteria from old pipes or chemicals in your tap water. Next, we're gonna make a Castile surface cleaner. You can use this Castile soap cleaner pretty much anywhere in your house, including granite or marble countertops. The only place you don't wanna use it is on carpets. For this one, you need 2 cups distilled water, 2 tablespoons Castile soap, and essential oils. Castile soap is a concentrated vegetable-based soap with all organic oils. You can drop anywhere from 1 to 15 drops of essential oils depending on how strong you want the scent to be. Next up, your all-purpose cleaner. This is great for those really tough stains. You'll need 1 cup white vinegar, 1 cup distilled water, the juice from half of a lemon, and essential oils. Vinegar is really acidic, so it's very effective when it comes to killing mold, bacteria, and most germs. Lemon has antibacterial properties that help to kill bacteria and germs. It also leaves a fresh scent. You can use this vinegar all-purpose cleaner on almost anything from your carpets to your drains. Don't use it on granite or marble though. The vinegar will damage the stone. Make sure to store this one in the fridge because of the lemon juice. Last, we're making glass cleaner. You can use this solution for any glass windows or mirrors. You'll need 2 cups of distilled water, half a cup of plain white vinegar or apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup rubbing alcohol with 70% concentration, and essential oils. Apple cider vinegar has the same disinfectant properties as plain white vinegar, but it smells better. Rubbing alcohol is considered an antiseptic, so it's really great at killing germs. If you don't want to use rubbing alcohol, you can use vodka instead. Clean your house without any toxins and feel so fresh and so clean. If you guys liked this video and want to learn more stuff, make sure you watch our videos over here and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We would so love you over here. Happy cleaning!